Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel The Magical Aura, and this is your tarot reader Urshi. So for my water signs, there is a little different this month because the spread which I did with other signs, I'm not going to do the same spread. I don't know why, I just wanted to do something different with you for my water signs, Scorpio, Pisces and Cancers, and we'll just start with the reading. I'll be displaying some cards. I will be seeing the energies of every week of June, first week, second week, third week and fourth week. Like what will be the energies from your side? Will it be a little good, bad, whatever kind of energies will be there, I will just tell you that. Okay, so this is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with all of you, but if it resonates, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be updated about my latest readings. So let's start for my Scorpios. Okay, so the first week of June's cards are the Moon and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, over here I see the energies are a little hidden kind of energies. I see that you are working on those hidden energies. Are you working for the FBI, Scorpio? You are finding some things which are not able, like which not anyone can be able to find. Okay, so you are into something very much deep, busy. See how this person is all into his coin, he's working. So I really feel that you are very busy, but there are some things which you need, which actually need to come to the surface, and they're hidden. Or it can be your emotions as well, like emotionally you are feeling very little emotional, and you are that is why you are keeping yourself busy. So there are many things which can come. I want to clarify this Moon card. Let's see what is it. Moon. Okay, so I really feel for some people who are dealing with some kind of love relationship, it can be like you know something is fishy and you are working on that thing to find out the truth, and you will get the exact thing, whatever you are thinking, whatever you feel that it is not appropriate, it's not going good. If you are feeling, if your intuition is telling you that something is wrong, because these both cards they mean intuitions as well as finding balance, peace. That is why you are not able to work in your other you are not able to concentrate in your work because of something which is going around you, which is not good. But at the same time I find you busy as well, because you are keeping yourself busy, because you cannot always start thinking about that particular thing which is disturbing your peace of mind. Okay, for some people I hear that they are working on their mental peace, because the things which are going around you, if it is related with your money or work, so anything, it's very much because you are giving a lot, but you are getting nothing. So that is why you are working, you are just finding peace, you are finding balance, and you want everything to be fine. Some can be dealing with a Sagittarius or a Pisces or a Cancer. So this is about the first week of June. So let's move on to the second week. For some people, it can be a very much like some kind of reunion. I can see over here in the second week of June. There is some emotions which I see, and you are feeling very happy, positive in the second week. There are some gatherings going on, marriages. You might be attending some marriage, or something is going on. Some people coming from a long distance and you're meeting your people, you're meeting your family, you're meeting your friends, and that is why you are feeling so emotional, because you are meeting them after a long time. And this is a very mature kind of energies. For some people, I feel it is related with their mother. You are meeting your mother after a long time, so there is some connection. You were disconnected with your mother, and you are now going to talk in the second week of June. If you are not planning, so just plan to talk to them, because second week of June I see over here is very much good, and it can bring a lot of happiness to you. Okay, let's clarify the cards as well. Yeah, communication, I really feel that there is a communication in the second week of June, but with regards with the Hangman, I feel that you were not planning, but all of a sudden something happened, and you started thinking about that particular matter, or you were not actually talking to some friend, and all of a sudden you are very emotional. You went into the memory lane, and you want to talk to that person, because you have also spent a lot of good time with that friend, or with that colleague, anyone it can be. So there is a very emotional energies which I see over here, and you are going to contact, or that person might contact you. So a gathering, reunion I can see in the second week of June. For the third week of June, it's the Devil and the Two of Pentacles. So for some people, I really feel that they are finding some balance in their life or in their work. There's something, because a lot of negative energy is surrounded to you. So that is why you are not able to do what you want to do. Your mind is juggling. You are sometimes here, you are sometimes there. You are juggling with your life. You are juggling with the coins, and that is why you don't know what to do. Some might be related with some navy, or some ship, some water I can see over here. And yeah, it can also mean that somebody is coming back from like merchant navy or navy, something army it can also mean. So you are coming back home from a long time in the second week, and you are actually very much in some kind of spell. For some people, I see, I don't know why it came to my mind all of a sudden. So those people who are very negative, and that is why, or those people who are surrounded with the negative energy, I feel that they are not in a state to decide anything because of that. So let's clarify this Devil card. Okay, Devil with the Death card. So this is a good message which is coming to my mind. With the Devil, it's like you are into some kind of bad energies. Let's say some people who are very much involved into drinking and smoking, but you want a transformation. You are ready to change yourself, but you are not able to do. You are juggling. You are not able to decide. But if you want to quit this thing, that is a very good thing, because with the Death card, it feels that you want to transform your life with leaving all these bad habits. If you are very much into smoking and drinking, so you want to leave that, and that is a very good start in the third month, sorry, in the third week of June. So if you're not ready, so it's the time to just be ready and to start transforming your life. Okay, in the fourth week of June, the cards are the Justice and the King of Wands. Okay, so I feel that for some, I really see two people over here, two mature people talking about something very with regards with the courts, or with regards with some kind of major decision. I see two people talking to each other, and for some people it can be like you are ready to take a decision, and it took a lot of time for you though, but now you are so mature enough to take a decision in your life and you are all set to go. Some people might be even dealing with some court problems, and now it's the time, you know, that it's the time to not just keep that thing lingering, and you are ready to take that decision and you are ready to go on with that. Let's clarify these cards. And so for some people, I'm also hearing that those people who were waiting for justice from a long time, so now the justice, it will be in your side, and whatever the things which are going to come up in the fourth week of June, the things are going to be fine with you, and you will be like, you will be rewarded, or you will get what you want. Yeah, so it means that with the Four of Coins and the Two of Rods, it's like you were deciding, you were holding on to something, and now it's in front of you. So now it's up to you what to choose, whether this or that. Okay, so you were holding on for with some kind of court problems, you were holding on to some kind of judgment. I really feel that there's something which you were waiting from a long time, and now it is in front of you. So now it's your decision to decide what to do and what not to do. Okay, and let's see the King of Wands. Okay, so that will bring you very much happiness in your life, whatever the decision you will take with regards with your if it is related with a marriage, it is like you will be very happy, and it will bring a lot of rejoice in your life. So the fourth week is a lot with maturity, I can see. For the third, for those people who want to transform their lives to something better, who want to quit some bad habits, third week is very good for them. And for second week, I see there's communication with regards with your happiness, your happy families, your reunions. So that week is really good, second week of June. And first week is with, I see you a lot busy. So just if you are in middle of some chaos, so just be busy in your work and let your mind be so much into your work, and just transform yourself, just find peace in yourself. Okay, don't enter into bad things in the first week of June. So that's all for my Scorpios. I just hope you like this reading, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.